Pour vinegar into coffee. This combination will work wonders in your home. Coffee is more than just a morning drink, and vinegar is not just a kitchen essential. Together, they create an effective solution that will transform your home. With this simple mixture, you'll save a lot of money while avoiding harmful chemicals in your home. Pour 300 milliliters of vinegar into a container. Vinegar effectively dissolves grease, fights bacteria, and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Then, add 2 tablespoons of ground coffee. Coffee contains small particles that act as a natural abrasive. Now, add 1 tablespoon of table salt, which enhances the cleaning effect and helps remove stubborn stains. Finally, add 100 milliliters of dishwashing liquid. Mix everything together and pour it into a spray bottle. Spray the dirty surface, gently scrub with a sponge, and leave it for a few minutes to let the ingredients work. This solution is great for cleaning stoves, sinks, pots, pans, and many other surfaces. The coffee and vinegar mixture removes greasy stains, burns, and deposits, leaving surfaces clean and shiny. Be sure to give it a try.